Shandong Yunfan Heavy Industry Group Co., Limited, was established in 2015, a national high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, manufacturing, installation, and after-sales. The company has advanced mechanical processing and manufacturing technology and perfect product quality testing methods. It currently has 15,800 square meters of standardized industrial plants, equipped with large gear hobbing machines, 6000W laser cutting machines, 20,000W laser groove cutting machines, automatic submerged arc welding machines, fully automatic 4-roll plate rolling machines, and other heavy-duty mechanical processing equipment, more than 50 sets. We always adhere to the market-oriented, implement independent innovation strategies, and build a scientific and technological innovation enterprise. We currently have 8 senior engineers and 2 professors and senior engineers. We have passed the National High-Tech Enterprise certification and took the lead in introducing the 1S090001 International Quality Management System and CE certification. We can make product technical solutions according to customers' needs. Shandong Yunfan Heavy Industry Group Co., Limited focuses on the research, development, processing, and manufacturing of large-scale coal slime and lignite drying and upgrading, slag and sludge drying, feed pellet production lines, high-humidity waste dehydration and drying production lines, compound fertilizer and organic fertilizer production lines, biomass drying and molding, and agricultural forestry waste carbonization plants. It has 15 years of experience in the large-scale dryer industry. Its products are widely used in coal, mining, building materials, feed industry, chemical industry, and other industries. The products are exported to more than 40 countries and regions including Southeast Asia, Central Asia, Africa, and South America.